Hello everyone. So how to install Roku Remote app on iPhone. So this app is called Roku Remote. So yeah, just go to the App Store app and search for Rokie Roku Remote. Tap Get. You need to be logged in with your Apple ID. Tap Touch ID to install. Done. It has a 50 megabyte size, so you need to have this amount of free storage in your device, and just tap open. And there you have it. Then after that, your Roku device and your iOS device should be located on the same network. You need to allow to do it, and then it will try to discover these devices on the same network. So that's about that. I just don't have any Roku devices, but that's how it should work. Hope it was helpful.